Happy Thanksgiving, Riley.
Thanksgiving.
I think Santa came. Did Santa bring you
Did
something
Santa
special?
come?
What's that?
What's over there?
Is that from Riley?
Is that for you?
What is that?
What is it? Go.
You gonna go cook?
Go cook.
Come on.
Go ahead.
Okay.
Take it. Go.
Let's go see.
Come here, Tilly.
Let's go
Come
see
here.
what this is. It's your very own kitchen. Can you open it? Oh, it's your very own kitchen like
Wow.
Mommy has. And refrigerator. It's all in here.
Bottom drawer.
So these, where's the, oh, here's all the pots and pans. And look, you have all your pots and pans.
Oh.
Oh, like Mommy has. So you can cook. Yeah.
Perfect height. Oh, good. You make good coffee.
Can I have some more coffee?
Yeah.
Oh. Oh, wait, let me try it.
Wait.
Mmm.
Oh, it's so
Coffee.
good. It is so good. Let me drink the coffee. Mmm. What about Dada? Does Dada want coffee? Get Dada.
Dada. Coffee?
Oh, thank you.
Thank
Oh, thank you.
Welcome.
You're welcome. Thank you.
You're welcome. Mommy?
Can I have some coffee? Oh, thank you.
Coffee? Dada?
Oh,
coffee?
more for Dada?
Yeah. Coffee?
Thank you.
Oh. My gosh, you got this. Oh, delicious.
Coffee?
Thank you. How about an egg? Can you fry me an egg?
Yeah.
Cook me an egg,
Can you
please?
please?
Yeah, hit the button. Oh. You got the frying pan there and the spatula. Okay, you're putting on the stove. Wiley's gonna cook me a fried egg. Oh yeah.
Mama.
Oh, we got coffee in the meantime? Okay. Thank you.
Coffee?
Ooh, yum. Okay, that's good. That's plenty. Thank you.
A party.
Yeah.
A party.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you.
Papa.
Okay. Oh, delicious. Thank you so much, Riley.
Mommy. A coffee. Mommy.
Yes.
A coffee.
Ooh, thank. Ooh, it's good. It's nice and hot.
Aha.
It's nice and hot.
Mommy.
Yes. Oh, thank you. Let me try it. Mmm.
Coffee. Thank you.
Good job.
Good job. Good job.
Delicious.
A coffee.
Okay, some coffee. Oh, it's delicious.
Make me an egg. Make me an egg.